like, wait! There's more!
This is going to be opening soon, a computer shop and God knows what else.
It's not a computer shop. It's
Oh, why's it got that on the side for?
It's a services, like...
Well, excuse me, Mrs. Wren.
What?
You told me it was going to be a computer shop.
That's what they saying.
Right, so why are you saying it's not now then?
My mom said to me it's not a computer shop. It's just like a computer desktop and laptop repair and CCTV services.
Alright, I see. And then why have we got space for rent there? Ooh, careful, don't drop her. So it's getting on now. Well, when I say getting on, what time will it be now? About 5:30, 6? And it's not quite dark yet, but I love this time of night. Come and sit outside the shop and just watch the world go by. You know, this life...
Barbecue.
There's no barbecue, there's no nothing with it being Sunday.
It's Sunday.
Yeah. This life, I love it. It's simple. You know, people saying you're not living in a slum. I guess it's not a slum, but I didn't know what other words to use to describe it. A very poor neighbourhood, let's say. Okay. You know, sometimes I come out with things and it seems alright when I say it, and then when, you know, other people look at it, they have a different perception of it. But what you've always got to remember is I love the Philippines, I love the Filipino people, and nothing I say is malicious. What's that, babe? Oh, got some bats.
No, the light.
The light? Yeah, but we've got some bats, look. But look at it with the coconut trees and stuff at the back. You know, I love it here. I love it on this road. I love being here. You know, we had a nicer house over there, didn't we?
Yeah.
But it was too far away from it. Well, it's 1 mile away,
Just
but
only us there.
yeah, it's just inconvenient.
Nobody around to us.
No, there was no family there, and all the neighbours, they just sat outside. And again, I'm not pulling them down. There's that. Philip, do you know what? I shouldn't even have to keep defending what I'm saying, should I? They were always outside, drinking, eating pulutan and stuff like
We can do that next time in the urban.
Yeah.
Around 4 o'clock because there's no sunlight.
So my birthday is April the 7th, and I'm thinking of having a big party for the family.
But before you said you will not having a party again when your birthday.
That was because of all the money I spent and nobody turned up, but that was because it was raining, I guess.
Because graduation time.
Graduation as well.
Yeah, graduation.
Well, it didn't help that it was raining, because Filipinos don't like coming out when it's raining, I'll tell you that now. But look at it. It's a lovely atmosphere. Now, oh, you see, I didn't show you this, I should have shown you. There's a 3-story building coming up over here, right? Now what Filipinos normally do is they do it in stages. Now if it was apartments, they do the first floor, and then they'd open the first floor up to start getting money in, and that while they're building the second floor. But look what we've got here. It's a convenience store. Just what this road needs. And you go in there, and I think somebody went in for coffee the other day, and it was 3 pesos dearer than what a mum would sell it. Was it coffee that was 3 pesos dearer, you told me the other day, Mel?
5.
What?
5 pesos.
5 pesos dearer?
Yeah.
I'll get something right one day, won't I? So, the chances of that store surviving on here is slim to nil. And
there's a coffee machine there.
where's that, babe?
There, coffee machine. It's
What, on that other
yeah.
shop? Huh?
You need to put 5 pesos.
All right.
Can you try?
No,
Yeah.
not really. I ain't got 5 pesos.
I
have I?
will borrow in the shop.
Yeah. What was that other thing? I can't remember what that other other comment was about, oh, apparently I'm suggesting that all Filipinos are whores. Yeah, which I've never suggested. This young lady is part of our family. She works in the bank.
Yeah. Video.
And she's very beautiful, and she's single. She's single, guys. So yeah.
Her name is Diane.
Yes, I know, Diane.
Ask her if
I
she
should have
wants
said.
foreigner.
Would you like a foreigner, Diane? No? I don't mean it. I mean somebody young, handsome.
She doesn't want old.
She doesn't want an old foreigner, basically. But if I had a friend come down here and he was a young hunk, I bet she'd be all right with that.
Thank you.
Yeah. So and Diane's been very helpful when we've gone, because she works in BDO. So when we go to BDO, we get fast track, don't we? Whoa! What? Be careful. See, Mel says it was at that shop and it's not, it's in the next place. There's always been a coffee machine here, but I've never wanted to use it in case it wasn't very nice. But it'll be interesting to see. It'll be interesting to see. Have you got 5 pesos?
Yeah. Which one do you want? White coffee or milky chocolate?
White coffee. See what it tastes like. It doesn't look like it's registered. Ah, there you go. Ooh, see, she's a professional.
White coffee? Yeah.
I used to have to do that with the food machine at work to get my bag of crisps out, which of course they call chips here. Oh, I was called uneducated the other day as well because
Careful, it's hot.
I called, what do you call them? What do you call them, Mel? Carabao? No, that's what I said. Caribou?
Carabao.
Carabao. I said where we're from it's caribou and it's not. Caribou is like reindeer. So I got that wrong. I do apologise.
Can you try?
Can I try? Yeah.
That coffee.
What's the chocolate thunder?
Now you're not going to believe this, Mel.
What?
Or
Sweet.
you guys. Very sweet.
Always sweet, right?
Yeah.
But how is it nice? Taste?
Very nice. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. It is actually. I'd buy another one.
We will buy you.
Oh, that's it. That's it. Again, I'm not defending anything because everything I say, again, guys, is my opinion. But I got another one saying that when I said that if you contact a girl, the chances are they're going to come from somewhere like this. Now, I stand by that because the middle class girls whose families are educating them and what have you do not go for old guys. They go for younger guys, more their age, definitely.
But I want old than Tommy.
Yeah, but I talk about guys my age and older. You know, I'm not talking about guys of 30s, early 40s, because, you know, they can go even younger, I guess, but the maturity of Filipinos here is a lot lower than what it is in the West. Am I right? Do you agree?
Yeah, I'm agree.
Yeah.
Of course, yes.
Yeah. So you get somebody of say 30 in the West, and again, you know, I'm not tarring everybody with the same brush. There's exceptions, but generally, you come here, especially with province girls,
Yeah.
and again, without wanting to sound bad, they're just not worldly. They've not been anywhere. They've not done anything. You know.
There's a food there.
Oh, cool. Be careful, please. Be careful. Careful.
Wala ba ko yan?
And a lot are uneducated, which the guy who I've just been on about says I was uneducated. Well, fair enough. Right. So this uneducated guy was a truck instructor, sorry, not an examiner, and assessor. And I own 3 houses, a Mercedes, a sports motorbike, and that's what you get when you're uneducated. Well, I'll be uneducated any day of the week, I guess. So, what do we have here?
This,
What is it, babe? What's that?
it's very masarap. Just smell first.
Can't smell it.
Yeah,
Ugh.
it's a shrimp paste.
It's what? Shrimp paste.
It's nice.
So let's have a look what we got here. We've got lumpia. I love the lumpia. And what's this? Is this chicken neck? It's neck. It's chicken neck. See it? That's chicken head. And that's what? Is that pig's ears?
Yeah, I know.
It's fat. How much is this? How much?
10, 15, 20.
10 and 20?
20.
Wow, what is it?
Depends on the size. It's
Now,
it's a pork chop.
I'm gonna buy the dog some chicken head, I think.
You want it?
3 pesos.
No, it's 4.
It's gone up.
Yeah.
My God, this dog's costing me a fortune.
Yan na pang ano.
So can you get me 3 of them, please, Mum? What about dipping them in a bit of gravy as well? It's nice, but it's too sweet. That. Too sweet. It's alright, I'll get some. Alright, let's go and give the dog these chicken heads. Bless him. I love this dog. I've been feeding him for ages, but like I say, the time that he went, see, this dog gets more than enough to eat. The time that he went ill, I'd not seen him for a while, but it wasn't that long. Sorry guys, I know you can't see him. I'll let you look that way while he's eating. There you go. See, I couldn't get him to eat anything before. Now, I'm sure that his condition was because he was drinking the water out that gutter. I'm sure it is. Was, sorry. There you are, babe. Eat that. And you see the tail wag when I come to him, because I've nearly always got food for him. So I'm guessing that's it, guys. This has probably gone into 2 videos now, and I hope you enjoy it, looking at the nightlife here and what have you. It's better than being on a subdivision and nothing to talk about unless you leave the subdivision. Yeah, go on. No.
It's a squash.
Yeah, I don't like that lumpy. I prefer this one.
No, they don't have.
See what we've got here.
This one, the one who eat lucky. It's a vegetable. It's a junk fruit.
Jackfruit?
Jackfruit, yeah. It's a
Yeah, this is your fish.
tilapia.
Tilapia.
This one,
Chops.
chop soy like that.
Yeah, I like the chops. And is this liver?
Yeah.
That's liver. And this is Ella. She's 22. Although I think she's not. I think she's about 16. And she's looking for a foreigner. Yeah. Yes, please. And this is beautiful little. What's your name? What? What? No? No? That's Kelly.
How many did you get?
Three. So that's it, guys. I'll probably put the ending that we did before on the end of this video, I'm not sure. So if it goes from dark to light, you know why. So say bye.
Say bye na bye.
Beautiful eyes.
Bye.
Blow a kiss. Kiss. Oh, lovely.
Bye-bye na bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye na bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping